My name is Monique Parkinson and I am the owner and operator of PetitSquares Limited. PetitSquares specializes in the distribution of Matcha Green Tea in Jamaica. This is our official YouTube channel and we will be featuring a lot of amazing matcha related stuff. So if you don't know what matcha is, it's time to subscribe. We will have how-to videos for using our tea making accessories.
Wow. I love this one. I love this one.
We'll also be doing petite journeys, and this is a feature of all our travels across Japan, trying all the wonderful matcha products. Stay tuned for recipes and how to include our petite poppers in your everyday life. And of course, we'll have videos of our experience in Japan. So if you're interested in learning about matcha, Japan, or just want some fun and entertainment, then it's time to subscribe to our channel. And hop over to PetitSquares.com, where you can purchase our matcha powder or petite poppers and your matcha accessories. So guys, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at PetitSquares. And always remember, we are your perfect matcha.